pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hello my gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So for you newbies, I do hope that you will stay, take a chance on this channel, and think about subscribing before the end of the video is over. Today I'm going to be doing a look with the Blood Money palette because this is part 2. I did part 1, I opened my Supreme box, we loved it, and I decided because I already have the Blood Money palette, I would ask you guys, what do you want? Most of you said, give away the Blood Money palette. So that is what we were going to do today. So let's get into this eye look and talk about the giveaway. Alright guys, it starts right now. Alright guys, so we're going to dive into the Blood Money palette. I decided that that was going to be the best product to give away. So you guys are super special to me, and anytime I get like a duplicate palette, I love doing giveaways. And I'm super excited to do an eye look with this for you today. I haven't used it since pretty much the day it came out. But I thought for part 2, I would go ahead and do an eye look with this gorgeous palette, and then definitely use this video to do a giveaway for all of you. So let's go ahead and get started. I have put MAC Paint Pot in Bear Study on my eyes. I've got some fresh brushes, which I'm super excited about. And we're going to go ahead and do a good look. Alright, bunch of different brushes. Oh my goodness. I have so many, and I really need bigger space. I know, you're probably like, Karen, we've heard you say that. But hopefully by the end of the year, I'll have a new place. Okay, so there's a lot of kick up. Blow that away, and let's go in with Mint Condition. I'm going to use my Morphe Jaclyn Hill. There's a lot of kick up from this. I just want you to know. Oh, you know what? Let me go ahead and show you guys an easier way to do like a cut crease. Those cut crease tools are going around again. I did a review on the stamp one, and I see a lot of people are like, oh, you gotta use this, da da da. But in reality, you could totally use a spoon. I've got 2 different sizes here. This is a teaspoon, this is a tablespoon, and as you can see, the tablespoon is probably gonna be too big for my eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this right here. Basically, I'm gonna hold it with my left hand. And we're gonna put the spoon right here. Then just kind of go very lightly. You don't want to stick the brush right there and then pull it up. Really, you just want to follow the spoon. Don't put a lot on because you don't need a lot of pigment in this area. But as you can see, right there, that is where the crease should be. So you can go in now and make sure that's filled in. You can use the spoon down this way, turn it this way if you need to go ahead and go over here. But that's an easier way to do it than going ahead and buying those. I mean, the one good thing about buying the cut crease thing is that there's more than one size they give you. But the spoon works just as good. Okay. So filling this in. As long as you don't have a lot of pigment, you shouldn't have any problems doing this. And it just means that when you dip your brush in, tap it off. And be mindful of where you're putting it, you know? Okay. I'll try to do a close-up so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. This Jaclyn Hill brush too is like a fluffier kind of brush, so you might want to go in with something not so fluffy. Let me see if I've got something down here. Okay, yeah. This Complex Culture brush, totally use this. There's so much kick up from this. I just want you to know that. And bam. Look how perfect that is. I do like a dark eye, but we're going to go in with heavy weighted. And I'm going to use that same Complex Culture brush. And we're going to put that out here and in the crease. Look how pigmented this is. Isn't that insane? You want to put most of the pigment right here. So this way, wherever you put your brush down is where the most pigment's going to be, and you want to be able to blend that out the right way without having it go down here. So take your time, go right in that crease. See how the brush like fits in there and it moves with it. The one thing with mature eyelids, you can kind of, because the skin's not as tight, you can kind of make it look a little bigger. Okay, heavy weighted is a gorgeous color. Don't worry about your lid right now. Oh my gosh, Kayla has been playing with socks. She's done that forever. And she loves swinging them around. Well, she's been putting them in her mouth. And of course they're clean socks, whatever, you know, but I hate it when she does that, and I try to take it from her, but then she's like, she wants it. So she gets to the point where she swings it around, she put it in her mouth, she was swinging it around, and all of a sudden we all got a mist of spit. Just, I was like, yay, great. I was like, okay, time to take that sock away. Cracks me up. But she always takes her sock off her right foot. Always. Okay, look, look, look. We have built up a nice color. I'm loving that. Okay, so we've got a bunch of shimmers, and I think I know what I want to do. Okay, I am thinking, what does this say? Emerald Estate. Definitely. I'm going to go ahead and use this Morphe flat brush. It's a little bigger than what I would like it to be, but it's going to get the job done. I put setting spray on it because we want to avoid fallout if we can. I'm dipping it into Emerald Estate. This is such a beautiful color. And we're going to put that right here. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Whoo, hoo, hoo. I really need to start doing my Throwback Thursdays again with older palettes so I can use them up. Plus, it'll remind me of the treasures. Okay, so now we're going to go towards the outer end of the eye, and we're going to go in with, I don't know if I want to do Tax Free or if I want to go in with Secret Stash or Black Card Limit. Too funny. Okay, let's try, I don't think I want to put a brown in here, to be perfectly honest with you. So we'll go into Secret Stash on the other side of this brush, and we're going to put that right out here. Look how pigmented. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, I'm going to have to go back in with another color and blend, another brush and blend. Whew. I love that. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Okay. Where's my blending brush? let's go in with this Luxie brush and we're gonna blend, but we're gonna like flick it up and into the eye so we don't have shadow hanging down. We can add color if we need to. But basically the goal here is to get some of it in the crease, but mostly out here on the outer part. Outer part of the lid. Make sure it's symmetrical. You can clean anything up if you need to. I feel like there is a little bit more over here, so let's just kind of fix that so it all blends in together. Super cute. Okay, not done blending, but I want to go in with a lighter color here. I'm thinking I want the white Divine Intervention, but I've got some of the green stuck in there, so I'm just taking my brush and tapping it. Okay, let's see. This one here is a white, but I believe it's got some green in it. I just want to put that right here to lighten up the inner part of that eye. Look at how gorgeous. These colors are amazing. I need to use this palette more often. Amazing. This is one of those mist brushes, SL Mist or something like that, I don't know. But that's really cool. What I want to do now is I want to focus on liner, and I'm going to actually use Kylie's new liner. This one, I think it's in Onyx, I don't know, it's black though. I'm going to put that down here. I do have some fallout I have to clean up. Look at how pigmented and creamy. Isn't that insane? I'm in love. Gonna do the upper waterline just out here. It'll give added depth. Okay, I gotta get rid of the fallout. Gotta do a little bit more blending. My master brush, Jaclyn Hill Morphe, it does it every time. It just really gets everything blended nicely. And we're not trying to mess with the front, we're just messing with the back here. Make sure everything is very blended. Look at how cool that is. Oh my gosh. Now we need, you know what time it is? It is time for the stiffy. Yes. Get out your stiffy. All right. Let's go ahead and we're gonna, oh yeah. Let's go into Divine Intervention. Can you see I'm getting excited now? And we're gonna put that right here. The inner corner. Then we're gonna go a little bit darker for the middle, and I'm thinking let's do Emerald's Estate. Right here. These colors are just insane. I did order the Pink Religion in case you guys are wondering. Oh, now for the end, we're gonna go down into Secret Stash. Put that right here. Okay, now we need the perfect brush to blend with for underneath the eye. And ooh, we can go in with this one. This one is a LaRousse brush, I think. But I also got to get rid of the fallout. So we want a brush at this point that doesn't have a lot of control, because we don't want to press the fallout into the skin. We just want to whisk it away. And that did it beautifully. See how this, it's floppy at the end? So much easier. Okay. Here we are. We're going to start right here and then go over. Do the same over here, because you know the colors are going to mix together, and then back out here. Oh, so satisfying. And these brushes are so soft. Just really satisfied. Oh, so okay. Love. Okay, so it's time for me to do my black liquid liner. I'm gonna put my thing. Gonna go in with the Tarte liquid liner. Try to make sure your elbow is rested on something. I don't like this. Although this is a super uncomfortable position for me, but right where that, right above where that outer corner is, go ahead and extend a line. Then right on top of the lash line, put a very thin layer. There you go. Now you can take this and go boink like that and fill it in. Take your time. All right, now you can do the other one. Okay guys, so this is my finished look. I'd love to know your thoughts down in the comments below. And now you want to know what's going to go on for that Blood Money palette giveaway. Well, I have her safe. She's all safe over here. And of course she's brand new. She came from the Summer Mystery Supreme box. And here are the rules. So you got to be 18 years or older or have a parent's permission. I don't care where you live. This does not matter. It's international for sure. I don't mind shipping at all. I would love it if you'd be subscribed and like this video and possibly share it out if you can. If you cannot do that, that is not a deal breaker for me. So just enter down below in the comments, enter me, whether it's all in one comment because you have something to say about the video or if it's in a separate comment. You can comment as many times as you would like. And that's it. If you've got any questions, put that down in the description box in the comments and I will do my very best to answer them. I just want to take the time to say thank you so much for joining me for this video. I had a lot of fun doing it and I have a lot of fun doing giveaways because I love to give back to you guys. So I will see you real soon in another video. Bye!